Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn trigonometric ratios easily. We'll start by understanding what these ratios are and why they are fundamental in mathematics. You'll discover how they connect angles to the sides of right-angled triangles, providing a powerful tool for solving many problems. We'll introduce a simple mnemonic to help you remember the core definitions. Let's dive into the SOHCAHTOA mnemonic. SOH stands for sine, which is the length of the opposite side divided by the length of the hypotenuse. CAH means cosine, representing the adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse. Finally, TOA signifies tangent, calculated by dividing the opposite side by the adjacent side. This simple phrase is your key to remembering these crucial definitions. Beyond the three main ratios, we have their reciprocals. Cosecant is 1 divided by sine, or hypotenuse over opposite. Secant is 1 divided by cosine, meaning hypotenuse over adjacent. And cotangent is 1 divided by tangent, which is adjacent over opposite. These three additional ratios complete the set of 6 fundamental trigonometric functions, expanding your problem-solving capabilities. To truly master trigonometric ratios, consistent practice is essential. Start by labeling the sides of various right triangles relative to a given angle. Then, work on memorizing the exact ratio values for common angles such as 30, 45, and 60 degrees. Solving a variety of problems will help you apply these concepts confidently and build a strong foundation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.